In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom email address with GoDaddy. If you want a more professional-looking email tied to your domain, GoDaddy makes the setup process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to click and what information you'll need to enter so you can create your new email user without confusion. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your Profile section. This is usually where account-related options are organized, and it's the starting point for accessing the products connected to your account. From your profile, click on My Products. This page brings together everything you currently have with GoDaddy, including domains and any related services. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct product area, especially if you manage more than one domain. Next, click Domains. This will show you the domain names available in your account. Find the domain you want to use for your custom email address and then click Manage. This section is where you control the settings and connected features for that domain. After that, click Emails. This will take you to the email management area associated with the domain. From here, choose the option to create a new email user. This is the part where you'll build the custom address you want to use. Now you can begin entering the necessary details. Start by entering the username. This is the part that appears before the @ sign in your email address, so choose something clear and appropriate for your personal brand, business role, or team function. For example, many people use names, support-related labels, or department-based usernames, depending on the purpose of the inbox. Then enter the first name for the account. This helps identify the user connected to the email address and can be useful when managing multiple mailboxes. You may also see an option to send account information once the setup is complete. If that option appears, and it's useful for your workflow, you can enable it so the details are shared automatically after creation. Once everything looks correct, click Create Email. After that, GoDaddy will process the request and create the new mailbox for your domain. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling of the username before finalizing, since that will become part of the custom email address people use to contact you. And that's it. You've now created a custom email address with GoDaddy.